Hi, I'm Kyla, and I want to talk to you about how I earn money living in a van. Welcome to the channel. Good morning. So, I had a phone call last night. I was currently at the lockup, and I had a phone call asking if I could meet somebody for potential work. Yes, I do work. I work as well. Luckily, we were in Cheshire, so we're not too far away. The only problem is I hadn't had a shower for a few days, and I have nothing to wear for a face-to-face work meeting. So, jump in the van and go to my sister's. My sister is my clothes shop for when I need to wear nice clothes, because in the van, it usually just look like a hobo. Definitely more hobo than boho. So now I am currently stuck in a traffic jam. Yeah, nice one. I'm really hoping that it's going to hurry up. It doesn't look hopeful, and I have like 10 minutes to get there. Haven't had a face-to-face meeting in a long time, so wish me luck. I think you can probably just about see up my nose. I've got the camera just in the dash, but oh my goodness, what is this traffic? Oh, always the way, isn't it? You need to be somewhere. It's just traffic. Chocker. Yeah, wish me luck. See you soon. Update. Still stuck in traffic. Oh my gosh. Does anybody else hate it when they're running late? I'm actually not running late. I'm actually on time. If it wasn't for the stupid traffic. Does anyone else panic when they're like, oh my gosh? Yeah. So anyway, whilst I'm sat here doing absolutely nothing, let me try and tell you a little bit about what I do. So I'm a graphic designer. I've been a graphic designer for 13 years. And when we made the move from 4 walls into the van, coming up to nearly 2 years ago, 18 months ago, something like that, beforehand I set up Vivid Frog Creative, and that's my graphic design business, and I work from the van. And on very rare occasions, people want to meet in person. Yeah, hence why I am stuck in traffic now. Oh my god, and people are so rude as well. You're going to get a little bit of road rage, I think, coming up. So that's what I do. I design anything print-based media, so magazines, brochures, flyers, posters, business cards, and branding. That's the main one that I do, branding. And most of my clients are startup businesses, which is really, really nice, because I get to help people navigate through all their design needs, marketing needs, and things like that. And that's the job that I'm going to today. So again, wish me luck. I hope I don't look too hobo. But with a nice jumper off my sister, so makes me look a little bit better, I suppose. I'm really sorry. You're probably just literally looking up my nose. So yeah, so that's what I do. Be interesting to see what you guys do as well whilst you're on the road. So pop some comments in, let me know, let us know what you guys do, and if there's anything I can ever help with in the future, feel free to contact me. And on that note, I'm going to try and get through more of this traffic. Bye. I have to also say, what divine timing that I was actually in the area to meet up with this gentleman today, because it could have been anywhere, but luckily I was 20 minutes down the road. So oh no, sorry sat now, I'm speeding. So yeah, that's good, right? I'm sure you don't want to see my nose anymore. Bye. Well, that was fun. So the place that I said to meet was not the right place. There was no Costa coffee shop there. So I ended up having to ring the gentleman and say, I'm ever so sorry, I'm at Morrison's where there should be a Costa but there isn't, and he was like, there's one in Lidl. I was like, okay, on my way. So that was great. So I had to go back through all of that traffic. Luckily he was a very, very nice gentleman and a photographer, brilliant photographer, and he wants some branding doing, some business cards and bits and bobs like that, and so I think I got the job. So yeah, so it all worked out in the end. I can't believe I was at the wrong place, but anyway, it's all good. Okay, so I have just been for that interview and I got the job, and really looking forward to working with him. So the next part, do you tell your clients that you work in a van? I do on very small occasions. Most of the time I don't. Not everybody gets it, I don't think. So yeah, it'll be really interesting to know, do you tell your clients that you work in a van? Or do you just make everybody believe that you live in their house? Same old, same old. It'd be really interesting to know. Do comment, let me know how you work. Do you tell your clients? Do you not tell your clients? And what do you do for a job? That'd be really interesting. So yeah, here we go. Here's me talking a little bit about whether or not I tell my clients and the issues that sometimes arises from working in a van, which is probably one of the reasons that I don't tell most of my clients. So here we go. Good afternoon. So just going for a little walk, met the guys down at the beach. I've been working all morning and most of the afternoon, stressing really. So as you know, I'm a graphic designer, and sometimes things just don't go right. For example, not yesterday, the day before, our internet just decided to stop working. Not cool. Which meant that we're trying to tether the Mac to the phones, and well, the internet on the 3 network that our phones are on isn't as good as the EE Wi-Fi that we have, and that's what went. So whenever I save anything, it all saves onto iCloud. And sorry, I keep looking down because there's big stones. I really don't fancy legging myself up. So it goes onto iCloud, and then you have to download and everything. So just to open some files to do the design work can be a little bit slow, and then I get frustrated. So yeah, I've had a couple of days of total mental block. I just couldn't get anything. There was all the creativity had gone. And yesterday was a stressful day because the park ups just weren't quite right. We weren't too sure. We'd driven like 3 hours. And all I kept thinking was, I've got this work to do, I've got this work to do, and well, I couldn't do it because the internet had gone and I just lost all mojo. So, and this project I said would be in yesterday. So as you can imagine, I was even dreaming about it last night. So anyway, I got up this morning and just cracked it and just did it, just like that. They just did it. So I'm really, really happy now, because it means that I can spend the afternoon with these guys on the beach, playing with stones, playing with stands, dipping my toes in the water, which I love. So yeah, so you know, when you're trying to work from a van, especially when you've got deadlines and then things just go wrong. And the other thing, we still, I don't know if you remember me saying, but let me turn around now. It's beautiful, isn't it? Look at that. Somehow, when they've done the electrics, there was a little tiny piece missing, which meant that it wasn't charging when we were driving, which is really annoying, because now the nights are getting shorter and the bad weather's coming in. Luckily it's beautiful, so I've managed to get power, and although we've got, you know, good solar panels and a good battery, to have it charging when we drive is just a massive bonus, especially in the winter. So because of that, we've had to be really careful of what we're charging and what electric we're using until we can get this little piece. Now, we did order one, it was the wrong bloody piece, so we've just had to order another one, and we hope that we can do it. We have spoken to one of our guys that's an electrician for vans, and he's like, because we were going to take it to him, and he was like, you really don't have to, you just plug it in. I'm like, okay. So yeah, so along with that little piece missing, so we struggle to charge things. We're not struggling, but we've got to be careful. The internet breaking and me having a deadline for a design project. It's just van life. So yeah, these things do happen, unfortunately. There's not many clients that I really tell that I live in a van and work. Let me know if you live in your van and you work from your van. You know you work with your own clients. Do you tell them that you live in a van? It'd be really interesting to hear how many people do and what response that you get from those people. So yeah, because I don't tell everybody, but this client, I did tell him. He was very much on my wavelength, so I felt comfortable enough in telling him, and he loved it. He said, oh, it's brilliant, he might even think about doing it himself. He's a photographer. But still, even though he knows, I still don't want to turn around and go, I'm really sorry, I'm having some technical difficulties, because it's not professional. So yeah, so that's been my day, my past few days, and here's the guys. Say hey.
Hi.
Hey, where's Indy?
We're making Trisha.
Where is she? Ah, there she is. What are you making?
That's a hill.
A hill?
These are X marks the spots. She's buried some treasure.
Oh my goodness, are we going to go treasure hunting? So cool. Right, on that note, I will see you later. Bye. That's how I make money working in a van. How do you make money working in a van? So if you like this video, please do subscribe and ring that little bell thing and give some likes and comments as well. I'd love to have a discussion and a conversation about working in a van with you guys. So yeah, thank you for watching, and check out our old videos. See you soon. That is how I make money working in a van. So many people over the past So that concludes me working in a van.
No.
So that is how I earn money living in a van.
Cool. Start again.
Thank you for joining us on our adventure this week. Please subscribe for more of our videos and make sure that you come and say hi in the comments.
See you next week. Bye.